Deep beneath the sparkling waves, where sunbeams danced like golden ribbons, lived a cheerful mermaid named Mira. Mira had long, flowing hair, a shiny rainbow tail, and the biggest smile in the whole ocean. Every morning, Mira visited the coral reef to play with her friends. There were tiny fish who shimmered like jelly beans, starfish who loved to wave hello, and dolphins who giggled as they zoomed through bubbles. One bright day, Mira carried a basket of Celsius to show everyone. "This shell is swirly like a cinnamon bun," she said. "This one is smooth like a pearl, and this one makes a whispery ocean sound." The little fish took turns listening. Whoosh, shh, sparkle pop. Each shell had its own special song. Then a curious starfish pointed behind the pink coral. Something was hiding there, half covered in soft sand. Mira swam closer. Her friends followed, wiggling with excitement. It was a treasure chest. Not a scary one, not a spooky one, a bright blue chest with golden shells on the lid and a tiny pearl handle. "Should we open it together?" asked Mira. "Yes!" cheered the fish, dolphins, and starfish. With one gentle pull, the chest opened and a rainbow glow floated out. Inside were glittering shells, shiny pebbles, and a little note made from seaweed paper. Mira read it aloud. "The greatest treasure is sharing wonder with friends." Everyone smiled. The dolphins twirled, the fish made bubble hearts, the starfish clapped all 5 arms. Mira gave each friend a special shell from the chest. Some were round, some were pointy, some were striped, and some hummed soft little tunes. From that day on, Mira and her friends met by the coral reef to trade shell songs, tell stories, and remember the magical treasure they found together. Because under the ocean, the brightest sparkle was not gold or pearls, it was friendship.